In the heart of the 19th century, the Victorian era ruled with an iron fist, its strict social norms and moral codes shaping the lives of the British populace. 1. The era, named after Queen Victoria, was a period of industrial, cultural, political, and scientific growth. 2. Yet, beneath the polished veneer of respectability, a simmering discontent was brewing, waiting to explode. 3. The Victorian era was a time of rigid class distinctions, with the aristocracy at the top, the middle class in the middle, and the working class at the bottom. 4. The upper class lived in opulent mansions, with servants to cater to their every whim, while the working class toiled in factories for long hours with minimal pay. 5. The middle class, though not as lavish as the aristocracy, aspired to emulate their lifestyle, leading to a growing gap between the classes. 6. In the heart of London, a young woman named Emily found herself trapped in the stifling confines of Victorian society. 7. Married off to a man she barely knew, she was expected to be a submissive wife and mother, her life revolving around her husband and children. 8. But Emily had dreams of her own, dreams of independence and self-expression that Victorian society deemed unacceptable for women. 9. One day, Emily attended a suffragette meeting, her heart pounding with excitement and fear. 10. She listened as the speakers spoke passionately about women's rights, about the need for women to have the same opportunities as men. 11. Emily felt a spark within her, a fire that refused to be extinguished. 12. Emily soon became an active member of the suffragette movement, using her resources and influence to further their cause. 13. She organized protests, spoke at rallies, and wrote articles for feminist publications. 14. Her actions did not go unnoticed, and soon she found herself facing the wrath of Victorian society. 15. Emily was ostracized by her friends, her family shunning her for her radical beliefs. 16. She was arrested multiple times for her activities, and spent time in prison for her refusal to back down. 17. Yet, Emily remained steadfast in her convictions, her determination to bring about change never wavering. 18. Emily's actions, along with those of other suffragettes, slowly began to chip away at the rigid Victorian norms. 19. Women started demanding the right to vote, to work, and to control their own lives. 20. The suffragettes' efforts culminated in the Representation of the People Act of 1918, which granted women over the age of 30 the right to vote. 21. The Victorian era, once a symbol of stability and propriety, was forever changed by the suffragettes' activism. 22. Emily, once a dutiful wife and mother, had become a symbol of change, a beacon of hope for future generations. 23. Her story serves as a reminder that even in the face of oppression, one person can make a difference. 24. Yet, the battle for women's rights was far from over. 25. The suffragettes' fight for equality continued well into the 20th century, with the Sex Disqualification, Removal, Act of 1919 allowing women to practice law, and the Equal Pay Act of 1970 ensuring that men and women received equal pay for equal work. 26. Today, we stand on the shoulders of giants like Emily, who dared to challenge the status quo and demand change. 27. Her story serves as a testament to the power of determination, the power of the human spirit to overcome adversity and fight for what is right. 28. Let us remember Emily, and the countless others who fought for women's rights, as we continue to strive for a more equal world. 29. And so, the Victorian era, once a symbol of rigidity and conformity, became a catalyst for change, a turning point in history that forever altered the course of women's rights. 30. Emily's story, though small in the grand scheme of things, became a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of the individual to bring about change. 31. Let us remember her, and the countless others like her, as we continue to fight for a more just and equal world. 32.